Morning everyone, once again welcome to the online classes. Political parties class 10. This is the continuation of the chapter political party. Let us see national political parties. What is national political party? Democracy that follows a feudal system all over the world tends to have two kinds of political parties. How many kinds of political parties? Two. Parties are present only one of the feudal unit and the party that are present in several or all units of federation. Every party in the country has to register with the election commission. So every party in the country, how many parties are there? They have to register themselves in the election commission. While the election commission treat all the parties equally, who treats election commission, it offers some special facility to large and established parties. It offers some special facilities to large and established party. Parties that get the privilege and some other special facilities are recognized by the election commission. For this purpose, that's why these parties are called reorganized political parties. According to this classification, there are 6 national recognized party in the country according to 2006. They are Indian National Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party, Bahujan Samaj Party, Communist Party of India, Communist Party of India, Nationalist Congress Party. Now, these are the symbols in our country. All the political parties, they have the symbol, different symbols are there. You can see elephant, lotus, hand, watch. These are all the political parties' symbol. All the political parties have their own symbol and their policies. You can just see, it is all given in the textbook. You can note down. Now let us see the state parties. Other than these 6 parties, most of the major parties of this country are classified by the election commission as state parties. They are recognized by the state parties. Parties like they are Samajwadi Party, Samata Party, Rashtriya Janata Dal, and national level political organization with units in several states. Some of these parties are Biju Janata Dal, Sikkim Democratic Front, and Mizo National Front are conscious about their state identity. Over the last 3 decades, the number and the strength of these parties has expanded. Now you can see, it is given in your textbook also, there are some of the regional parties in India. It is given clearly in the textbook, children. You can just see where are these different regional parties in India. You can see nicely in your textbook. Okay. Now let us see the challenges to political parties. What are the challenges to political parties? All over the world, people express strong dissatisfaction with the failure of political parties to perform their function as well. So, people express strong dissatisfaction with the failure of political parties. What are they? We are seeing here function as well, perform their function as well. The first challenge is lack of internal democracy within the party. So, what is the lack of internal democracy within party? All over the world, there is a tendency in political parties towards the concentration of power in one or few leaders at the top. The leader assume, next point, the leader assume greater power to make decision in the name of the party. Who make the leader assume greater power to make decision in the name of the party. Next point, the second challenge of the dynastic succession is related to the first one. Since most political parties do not practice open and transparent procedure for their functioning, there are very few ways to an ordinary worker to rise to the top in the party. The third challenge is about the growing role of money and muscle power in the party, especially during election. What is the third challenge is about the growing role of money and muscle power in the party. Muscle power means more strong, especially during election. In some case, parties support criminals who can win election. Next point, the fourth challenge is that very often parties do not seem to offer meaningful choice to the voter. They do not seem to offer a meaningful choice to the voter. Next point, let us see topic, how can parties be reformed? How can parties be reformed? Let us look at some of the recent effort and suggestion in our country to reform political parties and its leader. The constitution was amended to prevent elected MLAs and MPs for changing parties. This was done because many elected representatives were in indulging in defection in order to become minister or for the cash. Next point is the Supreme Court passes an order to reduce the influence of money and crime. Next point, the Election Commission passes an order making it necessary for the political parties to hold their organizational election and file their income tax. So they have to file their income tax return. Beside this, many suggestions are often made to reform political parties. The law should be made to regulate the internal affairs of political parties. It should not be made compulsory for political parties to maintain. It should be made compulsory for the political parties, means it should be compulsory for all the political parties to maintain a register of its member. Second is, it should be made mandatory for the political parties to give a minimum number of tickets, about 1/3 to the women and candidate. That means it should be compulsory to all the political parties to give a minimum number of tickets, that is about one third to women candidate. That means it was compulsory. There should be a state funding of election. The government should be given parties money to support their election expense. Next point, this suggestion has not yet been accepted in political parties. There are two other ways in which political parties can be reformed. Next point, one people can put pressure on political parties. This can be done through petition. Means one people can put pressure on political parties by what? By petition, by publicity and agitation. So these are the topics what we have seen in this chapter. With this I am going to conclude this chapter, and let us see all the question answers and all. With this I complete my chapter, and you can see the PDF and write the answers, and you can write that all answers in your notebook and learn it. Thank you.